Filmed a good video, but the original sound is terrible? Or just want to set the tone to your clip and add background music? In this video, we'll show you how to put sound over a video in a few clicks. We're going to use Clipify, an automatic video editor. Once you've run the software, click New Project and then Blank Project. First, upload your video to the program. Next, add a soundtrack by clicking the Open Music Collection button. All tracks are organized by genre, mood, speed, and duration, making it simple to choose the right one. Select the music that best fits the mood of your clip. When you're finished, click Add to Project. You will find the selected audio track on the timeline below the video. If you want, you can fine-tune the sound. Let's see how to do it. Right-click the audio file on the timeline to edit it. Pick the Cut Audio File option. In the new window, move these blue markers to adjust the duration of the sound to the duration of the footage. You may also change the volume and adjust the fade-in and fade-out time of your audio to make it appear more smoothly. But this option is only suitable for the beginning and the end of an audio track. If you have voice comments, you can turn down the music in the segments where they play. Select Add Audio Point from the drop-down menu to adjust the volume of a certain part. Add points to the track and move them down. When done, save the clip by clicking the Create Video option. Select the appropriate export method. You can save your video to watch on a computer or smartphone, or to share on YouTube. Select the Create Mobile Video option and then the phone model you need. That's all. Now you know how to add sound to a video. Download Clipify and convert your videos into music movies in a matter of seconds.